What's up? We're at Zach's house again. We're cooking these Tito thingamabobbers. What are they called?
I have no idea.
They're good. They're like pizza. They're like
Pizza
cheese. They're like kind of like pizza rolls, I guess. I don't really know how to describe them. But today, I guess we're gonna be playing with Zach's hoverboard and dirt bike. Yay!
Hey YouTube, today me and Nate.
I introed Sherlock.
Well, yeah, he's on my dirt bike. I'm on the hoverboard. So,
Hey, watch this.
yeah. So he just did a jump, and
I lift the back tire up and like make.
he's gonna do a wheelie right now. Well, a knee wheelie, but okay. Shit. I don't know. Whatever. Nate, do the jump. He's gonna do the dirt jump we made. I'm gonna do a jump with my hoverboard. Just kidding. Yeah, wanna do the yeah. Wanna do the back?
Tomorrow I'm going to school, so there probably won't be a video for a while.
Yeah.
I'm going till Monday.
Yeah.
When I get home, we'll film another video.
Yeah. We're gonna do a video every he's gonna go down the steps. So we're probably gonna do a video every other day. But when we go on vacation and like I don't go with him or he doesn't go with me, then we're probably gonna take a break for a little bit. But yeah. Yo Nate.
What?
I'm gonna
Pull it back, pull it away from your face.
yeah. So I'm gonna take the hoverboard on the trampoline. See if I could actually do it or not. I'm actually pretty good on a hoverboard. I had it for like a couple years. Okay, be back when we're on the trampoline.
Filming.
I wasn't.
I mean, did you stop the film?
That did not work.
Whee!
I'm just trying to do a bunny hop.
Wait, hold on, let me try. Let me see.
Okay, so he's gonna try. So.
Hey, watch this.
Do something cool.
Never mind. Screw that. I thought that thing was gonna kill me.
Okay, here. I'm gonna actually film while I'm on the. You're retarded. Here, I'm gonna film while I'm on. I'm gonna get away because he's not really experienced. He totally like messed up.
It's gonna kill me.
Fail.
Woo!
It's actually very scary because this is like 20-something pounds.
You.
Oh no, he's bouncing me. Wait, Nate. I'm gonna do that when I'm ready. Nate, stop. I don't want to mess it up. So, yeah. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna give Nate the camera.
It's fun. Oops! My bad. You're something crazy. Do a backflip off it.
I can't.
Do it.
I'll do a backflip. I'm not gonna do a backflip off
Time to do some trampoline tricks.
it. I'm gonna do a backflip.
Whee! Alright, I'm gonna do a double fronty. Do a front flip.
He's gonna do a front flip. We actually kind of made this up. Can't land the second one though. Here. He's gonna go over the dirt jump with the dirt bike. I don't think we ever did. Oh, I did it, but I don't think he ever did. So, yeah, let's see what he does. Okay, yeah, that was him. Here, Nate, I'm gonna go off. Because I'm doing a wheelie.
Hey, watch this.
Here.
Yo, so I was riding around there. So I was like, here. So I was riding around over there. I squeezed the brakes and I almost just died. Yo, did I get air? Papa wheelie. Yeah. Brake, not down the hill. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wheel.
Wee. Dude.
So, I think that's it for today.
Nah, I think we'll keep it going some more.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, but,
Yeah, but
you want to get one of these, this is about $250 to $300.
it's the Razor.
I recommend it's the Razor MX 350. If you're like my size
Smaller.
or smaller, yeah, I'd get this. But if you were,
Yeah, I'm a little big. I'm a little big for it. I'm like 5'1"ish.
so you should, yeah, you should get the MX 500. It's a little.
Is it the MX 500?
Yes, the MX 500.
You sure?
It's more.
How much?
It's 500. But it's
Nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna get the quad.
It's way bigger and way faster. But right now, Nate's saving up for a Razor quad.
Yeah, I'm saving up for this little quad. I don't know what it's called, but if you just go on Amazon and Google Razor quad, it should come up. It's like if there's a little one and a big one. The big one's like 738-ish. The bigger ones, small ones, 400.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I think that's it. So
we're gonna make a video.
yeah.
When he gets back.
Well, maybe I'll film a little bit when I'm done.
Like early, and how long are you gonna be gone?
Till Monday.
Yeah, till Monday. So he usually gets back early. So
Yeah, I'll probably get home like 12ish. Maybe a little bit
he usually gets
later.
home around 12ish. So we'll probably make a video at I
don't know.
1:30ish, and then we'll upload it. Yeah, I guess so.
Oh yeah, and we're not only gonna do bike videos. We're trying not to do two like not non-bike videos 2 times in a row. We'll try to at least. We're also trying to upload every other day.
Yeah.
All right. Bye. He said bye.